Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this is a video about using paragraphs in your writing. So first of all, what are they and why do we use them? So a paragraph is a group of sentences about one main idea. We use them to break up long chunks of writing, which makes it clearer and more interesting for your reader. They also provide a really clear structure and order to your writing. A good way of remembering when to use a new paragraph in your writing is Tiptop. So this refers to time, place, topic, and person. The person also includes if a new person is speaking, such as if you're using dialogue in your writing. Often you can just indent the line to show this. It is important to clearly show where a new paragraph begins, so we have to indent the first line. So here's an example to show you how to do this. Or another option is that you can leave a line in between your paragraphs, as long as it's clear to your tutor where a new paragraph is. Whichever one you use, do be consistent. So another tip to achieve really high levels at Key Stage 3 is that you could also vary your paragraph length. So for example, if you want to emphasise a certain point, you could use a short paragraph to make it stand out. So try to use one in your next writing assignment. I hope this has helped.